I ride my bicycle in the morning every day. I ride my bicycle in the morning every day. I love playing in the park. Every weekend. I go to the doctor when I feel sick. I go to the doctor when I feel sick. I eat fresh fruits to stay healthy every day. I go to the library to read new books. I make new friends wherever I go. I always speak politely on the phone. I look both ways before I cross the road. Seat. I say good morning to everyone I meet. We are here at the market. Let us go inside. Excuse me, how much are these apples, please? Look at all these colorful fresh fruits. Colorful fresh fruits. I would like 1 kilogram of apples, please. I need half a kilogram of carrots, please. Are these potatoes fresh from the farm today? Give me 2 kilograms of potatoes, please. Is this spinach fresh and clean today? How many onions do I need for my cooking? Do I need for my cooking? That fresh bread smells so amazing today. I would like 1 loaf of fresh bread, please. How much is 1 dozen eggs here, please? I will take 1 dozen eggs. Carefully, please. Where can I find the milk and butter, please? How much is everything altogether, please? I need 2 cartons of fresh milk, please. One, 3. Here is the money. Please keep the change.
Hmm.
Can I have a bag for my things, please? Let me pack everything carefully in the bag. Oh, I almost forgot to buy the cooking oil. Excuse me, Nonja.
Where is the cooking oil, please?
I would like 1 bottle of cooking oil, please. We got everything! Let us go back home now. Let me check if I bought everything on my list. I am finally home with all my groceries. Let me put my heavy bag down carefully. I wash my hands before I touch the groceries. Let me take everything out of the bag now. I sort everything into groups before putting away. I always wash my vegetables before I cook them. I wash the spinach leaves, one by one carefully. I dry all the vegetables with a clean cloth. I dry all the vegetables with a clean cloth. I put the fresh vegetables inside the fridge. I scrub the potatoes well before I cook them. The milk goes straight into the always. I place the eggs carefully in the fridge shelf. The cooking oil goes in the kitchen cabinet. I keep the onions in the kitchen basket always. Today I will make something new for lunch. Today I will make something new for lunch. I will make Chinese fried rice for lunch today. Let me get all the ingredients ready to cook. I chop the vegetables into small pieces carefully. I beat the eggs in a bowl. I heat the pan with oil on medium flame. I add a little soy sauce to make my fried rice even more delicious. I stir the rice and vegetables in the hot pan. My Chinese fried rice is ready to serve now. Wow! This is the most delicious fried rice I've ever cooked.